Welcome to the ultimate revision module for highway geometric design. This is the highest weightage topic in GATE Civil Engineering. We are going to cover the three pillars: stopping side distance, overtaking side distance, and super elevation design. I have condensed everything into 6 dense slides. Get your notebook ready. First up, SSD. This is the absolute minimum distance required to stop safely. Look at the formula on the right. It is velocity times time plus velocity square divided by 2 times gravity times friction. The most common mistake students make is units. Velocity here must be in meters per second. Do not use kilometers per hour directly. The second mistake is the reaction time. For SSD, the standard is 2.5 seconds. If there is a gradient, use the modified formula with 0.01 times the slope percentage. Use plus for uphill and minus for downhill. And remember, if it is a single-lane road with two-way traffic, the required SSD is double the calculated value. Next is OSD. This is more complex because it involves 3 vehicles. Look at the components D1, D2, and D3. D1 is a reaction distance. Here, reaction time is 2.0 seconds, not 2.5, because the driver is alert. D2 is the actual overtaking maneuver. It depends on capital T, which is the square root of 4 times spacing divided by acceleration. D3 is the distance covered by the oncoming vehicle. If the road is one way, D3 is 0. Also, note the overtaking zones at the bottom. The minimum length of a zone is 3 times OSD, and the desirable length is 5 times OSD. GATE often asks for these ratios. Now, the physics of curves. Super elevation. The general equation is E plus F equals V square divided by 127 times the radius. Here, V is in kilometers per hour. Check the design standards table on the right. The maximum super elevation is limited to 7% for plain and rolling terrain. It goes up to 10% only for hill roads that are not snowbound. For urban roads, it is capped at 4%. Lateral friction F is always taken as 0.15 for design purposes. Also, remember the concept of equilibrium super elevation. That is a condition where pressure on both wheels is equal. In that case, friction F is 0. This is the most critical slide for numerical problems. The 4-step design protocol. Step 1. Calculate super elevation for 75% of the design speed. Assuming 0 friction, the formula simplifies to V square divided by 225 times the radius. Step 2. Compare this value with the maximum limit of 0.07. If your calculated value is higher, you are restricted to 0.07. Step 3. If you are restricted to 0.07, you must then check if the friction is safe. Back calculate friction using the full speed. Look at the example at the bottom right. We calculated 0.071. We capped it at 0.07. Then we checked friction, which came out to 0.056. Since this is less than 0.15, the design is safe. Finally, here is the cheat sheet of values you must memorize for 1-mark questions. Reaction times: 2.5 versus 2.0. Friction: 0.15 lateral versus 0.35 longitudinal. Transition curves are always spiral or clothoid. And for summit curves, the length is given by SSD using n times s square divided by 4.4. Take a screenshot of this slide. Now, go to civilengineeringforall.com and attempt the highway engineering mock test. It has 30 questions based exactly on these concepts. Good luck.